Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So today I want to talk about the items in your house. So in order to maintain an organized house that works for you, typically we have to make sure that everything you have has a home. And that home can look very different for a variety of clients. Some people prefer things behind closed doors. Some people like their things in open space. Some people like the idea of categorization and containerization within a space. And there's a vast majority of options around that. Also, depending on where you are in the house, your kitchen might need to function differently than your bathroom or your closet or your garage, or maybe other people that live with you. So taking all of these things into consideration, my tip this week though is everything must have a final home and a final resting place. That being said, do not feel bad if things aren't always in their home, right? You have to be able to live in your home. But at the end of the day, if you want to do a quick tidy, you should be able to set yourself a little timer and get everything back into its home. So thank you for tuning into this week's Just the Tip. Remember, everything needs a home.